Friends, how are you? In this episode, I want to share with you a tip on what to say when you're at the airport or at the border. Now, assuming that most people have entered the United States using a plane, I'm going to share some tips with you. So stay tuned all the way to the end so you get the secret code on how to access the free 15 minutes. Friends, welcome to Green Card Guys TV. I'm your host, John Ting. I practice immigration law in all 50 states of America and all across the world, solving your immigration problem. Now, stay tuned all the way in because we get a lot of calls about this, and most of the time it's already too late on what we can do, okay? Now, we just had a recent call that someone had to go entered the United States on an airplane, of course, and they got to the customs desk and the officer started asking questions like, "What do you do in America? This is your fifth time here in the past 1 to 2 years." And then this person said, "Well, I'm here helping out my family member, working help my family member in their business." Ooh, red flag when you use the word work. Okay. Then, because when you say that, that started a rabbit hole of questions for the customs officer, as you could imagine, because you likely already know this, but I'll just say it just in case. If you are entering the United States with a B1, B2 visitor visa, whether it's for business or pleasure, you cannot be working to gain income. So this person had used the word work on accident, but the customs officer did ask, "Are you receiving money for this?" And the person said no. But even when they said no, the officer asked, "Well, are you staying? Are you paying rent?" And the person said no. So the officer said, "Well, you're working to receive free rent, basically, to receive lodging." So they use that as essentially that you're gaining some kind of benefit because you don't have to pay rent. So if you have a situation like this, I'm not telling you to not telling you to lie for sure, not like that, okay? But there's reasons why people hire a lawyer, consult with a lawyer. It's because there's certain terms, certain words that you can use instead of the word work, for example. So in this situation, you're definitely not getting paid, right? So use the word volunteer, or you're just learning the business, if anything. You're helping out, or you're just simply saying you're visiting. Don't tell them, don't use the word work, okay? So I know for some people, you might already know this, but I just want to put it out there because we have received a lot of calls the past year in previous years, even before the pandemic, of this concern. And this is what happened because this person had to go straight back to the country within 24 hours on the plane. And so that sucks, to be honest, because you paid probably at least $1,000 round trip flight to come to America. I mean, I would think a round trip flight, but because that's another red flag if it was a one-way flight. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, friends? And let me know what you think in the comments down below. Have you had a situation like this? If you enjoy the content, please smash the like button. Give us some hearts on Instagram. We greatly appreciate it. And I want to share with you, we do have the secret code here. And here it is. Okay, down below. You could have guessed it. It's called Green Card Guys. So if you want, you can text up here 346-330-5888. Or you can click down below, go to our website because it'll take you to our Contact Us page. And step number one is to answer a few questions so we can understand your case better, save some time. And then step two is schedule a consultation. Okay, friends? Give us some love, okay? Give me a little love because at least on TikTok, I do have a new account. I just joined, I guess, several months ago, but I haven't really been updating until now. That's my New Year's 2022 resolution. It's a very easy name. I had a different name, but I changed it to make it easier for y'all. And the Green Card Guys. Could have guessed it. All right. We'll make it easy for you. So check that out, friends. Greatly appreciate it. Again, let me know in the comments what you think. If you had a situation like this, or if you're planning to travel soon, let me know where you're watching from. Greatly appreciate it. And until next time, please continue wearing a mask. Take care.